All right, YouTube, check it out. Hey man, this thing is all right. We had to go and condemn this ticker. That's it. The price is just too cheap. That is too cheap. I know. I the only reason we even trading this thing, man, is for my get rich quick. That only have $1,000 or less to trade. All right, this is for them. But this is what I'm talking about. Even though the algorithm is kind of flowing the way that she's supposed to flow, she does not have to. All right, she don't have to do it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, believe it or not, this that Tuesday, remember that Tuesday, that thing that stumped me out of one of my Ferrari positions right there. This thing stumped me out, right? It stumped me out right there. That was not supposed to happen. I know that. I know that, but come on. All right. This bear right there, that bear right there was not supposed to happen. It could have happened. I'm not gonna lie, because of this signal that we had. We had a bear signal right there. Come to our trades, brother. But this bear was not supposed to happen. I tried to shake it off because it gave us a bear. It gave us a bull, a half bull, but it gave us this run up right here. This run up. All right, this is what I want you guys to see, man. Do you see this aftermarket, this pre-market movement right here? You guys probably can't see it because I erase all the lines. I erase everything that's on this chart because I don't want YouTube to get it, but everything is erased. Remember, I said that Thursday was going to be in the $21 range. That's what this is. Price was bringing us to that area for Thursday. All right. But look at this. Look at what it did. It did it again. I just want to say that this movement right here confirms that we know what the hell we're talking about, but the algorithm is not going to allow price to complete her what she was supposed to complete. And this Wednesday as well, this Wednesday too, right here, brothers. Let's take a look at it. Right there, that was not supposed to happen. Right here. Right there. That right there. Oh hell no. That doesn't even exist. That does not exist. Yeah, I know it now, man. I know it. I know it. I know it. Right there. Boom. That bear does not exist. But the algorithm is making it exist. It's not supposed to be. This is what I'm talking about. When your ticker is too cheap, the algorithm would do things like this. All right. Uh this is what I'm talking about, brothers. When price come from a high place, like $150, all right? Price came from a very high place. And this is what I'm talking about. When she get to 50, she acts a certain way. But the algorithm is pushing price down. It didn't the algorithm is not allowing price to be a bull at all. And look how far she went down. She goes all the way down to 3. All right. Remember I told you, man, price can drive the algorithm can drive price all the way down to single digits from $100, and that's exactly what she did right here. That's what she do. But you see, she's coming back, and she's probably going to get back above when she makes it to 50 and get above 50. She's probably going to make it back to 100 with no problem. But this is what I was talking about. So the problem is, the whole problem is price. The algorithm is pushing price down, and the way that we see it is because she does it the wrong way. She does it the wrong way. She cannot do it like that. All right, especially when the algorithm is trying to fix itself by giving us a move like that right there. That was the algorithm trying to get back right. I told you, $21 for Thursday. This is not going to get us. And you know what? We might actually get that. We might actually get to Thursday. We might actually get Thursday back above and to that. All right, we can't trade tickets like that. All right, even Friday might even try to correct. But we can't trade them, brother. We can't have Price taking our picture and just doing whatever she wants to do with it. All right, we can't do that. So I knew that thing was fishy, man. I knew the way I got stumped out. I tried, but Wednesday did the same thing, and that's what gave it away. This movement right here, that pre-market, and then that algorithm pushing it back down. All right, that gave it away, and the price of the ticker, that's it. All right, that's three strikes. This ticker is out. All right, so man, that's it is what it is, man. We can't trade tickers that behave like this and just it's just too cheap. So that's what's going on right here. So what I'm gonna do to correct this, I'm going to change the price. All right, I'm not going to even allow tickers maybe under $30. Is what I'm thinking. Maybe under 40 or something like that. I mean, that's it's pretty. And the trader ticker at $40, we're looking at least 4,000. You got to have at least $4,000 to trade a ticker at $40. I think. Uh, let me see. I think it's at 10%. I'm just say minus 10%, and see if I get what I want here. Yeah, so 4,000. A ticker at $40. You got to at least have $4,000. Now, if you only had $1,000 and I'm feeding you tickers at 40 and above, you're not going to be able to do much. Not going to be able to trade much with only $1,000. You're going to have to come up. All my get rich people is going to have to come up a little bit. Minus, let me see, minus. Let me see. 1 second, brothers. Hold on. 1,000 minus. I'm gonna say at 30%. All right, it's not too bad. It's still not too bad. Hold on. I think I didn't do that right. Divided by 40. Okay, yeah. See, $1,000. It's you're gonna have to go even if you went all in. It's not much you can do with $1,000. I tried, brothers. I tried to bring y'all to the game, but $1,000 is not gonna do it. You're gonna have, man. I'm not gonna even fish in that pool anymore. We're probably gonna stay above $30, and that's you got to at least have 3,000 to trade it to trade a ticker at $30 decently. But I don't know, maybe 2,000 might be able to do it. But I'm just saying, I tried, man. YouTube, bro. At first we had, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I never traded a ticker under $50. I never went below 50. And I'm about to go back to that. If I go back to that and we don't see that anymore, well, that's gonna be it. That's that nail in the coffin, brother. I won't. I'm not gonna come down again. All right. I'm not gonna do it. So you guys, all my get rich quick, that only got a little bit of money to trade. Man, I tried, man. You guys gonna have to save your money, man. You got to come up. You got to come up to it. All right. But that's what's going on right now, YouTube. I knew something was fishy about what was going on, and you heard me talk about the price every time. Every time I keep telling you guys, hey, it's the price, it's the price. But this is what I'm talking about. The algorithm has other things that she wants to do, and we're trying to trade, and everything's right, but she's slamming everything down. We can't do that, and that's the end of that, man. That's the end of that. All right, YouTube, holler at me.